that, if you need a pump, that's not bad. But that isn't good either.
I guess we'll have to get some of those gasket snaps. Or maybe silicone gasket to the block on that piece at the back end.
I thought I probably saved them for like 5 years and then threw them away.
That's usually how it goes.
Nope. Is this at a 4?
Yeah, I would, when you take it back off, clean the gasket, break it so it's dry, so it grabs, and then just put some silicone on that back piece and put it in. Because that's weird that it's blowing out that much. Like, it's definitely visual, so why would we be doing that? Unless, is it a one piece or two piece rear main?
I don't know.
Because what if the top piece of the gasket's not even in there? Next time you drop the pan, take it right out and take the back cap off. Because there may not be even any gasket in there. If there's no gasket in there, it's just pouring past. Because that seems way too much oil for there to be any gasket in there whatsoever. So,
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't remember putting a gasket in. I mean, that's going back 4 years.
So if it's a 2-piece, the first piece should will be in there.
Yeah, because the first piece pushes up and then around, and then the second piece
Goes on with the cap.
and then there's just the pan gasket. And 3 seals back there.
So this is coming not through the pan, but behind the pan.
Maybe. I mean, I guess we could fire it back up.
I was gonna say, you
Take
go
it
down
down.
there.
You go down there, he says.
There's a light.
Where's my light?
There's one. There's the other.
Yeah, I
one.
got mine.
Let me put
Put
my
the
ears in.
You're pretty loud down there.
Don't rev it.
That's. I'll give it a pump and then I'll have to.
Well, you can do it from in there.
If I turn it.
What can't you do? Oh, because you have no accelerator pedal.
Yeah.
So let's get it going, then I'll take a look. You have no rear main seal.
What?
Because it's coming out from you have the flex plate shield,
Yeah.
and it's coming from in there. It's not the pan gasket at all.
Well, that's good. Now that we have the pan gasket back up. But now it's come back down anyways.
Well, who put the gasket in? Who put the rear main in? Did we not have a rear main? The pump, there's not even a gasket in there. No seal or nothing.